Namaskar. So let us practice today Shitali Pranayama. Shitali Pranayama is Shit means cool, so this is a cooling pranayama. It is very effective and traditional Ashtakumbhaka pranayama because we can practice Kumbhaka in this and it helps us to retain breathing. It is cooling pranayama, so that is why it is very good for coolness, for the peace and for the slowness of the body, as well as this is we need to practice this pranayama very carefully because this is cooling and we need to maintain the body temperature. So those people who are suffering with the respiratory problem, asthma, or slowness of blood circulation, low blood pressure, they need to avoid this cooling pranayama. People who are suffering with any kind of burning sensation, hyperacidity, high blood pressure, this is very good for them. Even for high any kind of like ulcers, it is better to practice cooling pranayama. And because Bhastrika is a hot pranayama, so then we should try to make a combination of few pranayamas technique, and we should practice this, so it's a complete package and balance your whole body. So after hot Bhastrika, we will practice Shitali pranayama. So how we practice Shitali pranayama? We have to roll the tongue and keep it in between the lips, and then we have to inhale very slow and deep. This is very, very important how we are breathing during this. Definitely technique matters, but it matters more that how we are breathing during that technique. So by rolling the tongue, we are going to inhale through the tongue, but the inhalation needs to be very slow, very deep, without any force, and then we have to exhale through the nose. In the meantime, when we are used to practice of Shitali, then we can, after inhalation, we can also retain the breath for a few seconds or for few count mentally inside, and then we can exhale from the nose. So let us practice Shitali pranayama. We can practice like maximum 15 repetition in one round, and we can repeat 2 to 3 rounds. Like in this weather, in this summer, we can practice 15, but if it's winter, then we should practice low, like 5, 7 something. And if it is cloudy, then better to avoid Shitali pranayama. So let us practice 10 rounds of Shitali, 10 repetition of Shitali in one rounds. So we can close the eyes, roll the tongue and keep it in between the lips. So this is Shitali, and we need to practice and breathe very, very deep. We'll feel cooling sensation in the whole oral cavity. This is the reason that this is one of the best pranayama for oral cavity, for all the problems of the teeth, gums, bleeding gums, and mouth stings, mouth ulcers. This is very, very nice. It brings the cooling sensation in all over from your throat to your body. So these are the benefits of cooling pranayama. Females suffering with miscarriages, this is specifically very good for them. So we can practice this cooling pranayama. Thank you so much.